Welcome to the age of AI, our future with technology. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is the frontier of our technological era. It's transforming everyday life and industries alike. These intelligent systems learn, adapt, and potentially act autonomously. They are designed to augment human capabilities, multiplying our effectiveness. AI is shaping technology in unprecedented ways. It's automating routine tasks, enabling precision in data analysis, and leading to medical and scientific breakthroughs. Imagine a world where technology anticipates your needs, understands your preferences, and can even challenge human limitations. That's the power of AI. Despite fears of AI taking over, it's crucial to remember AI is a tool. Like any tool, its impact depends on how we wield it. AI holds the key to a future of incredible technological advancement and innovation. The dawn of this new era is now. Join us on this journey as we explore how artificial intelligence is shaping our present and what it promises for our future.